Day 5, leaving Chitose for Volcano site. Quick breakfast pancake from 711. Onigiri and sandwiches. Toll ticket to see the volcano site. It's a rainy day today, no sign for snow. Arriving at Chitose National Park. Witnessing the hot water spring, the smokes are everywhere. Nobora Betsugu Jigakudani. Hot water flowing down. Jigakudani spot. We can smell the sulfur. It's time to head back to airport.com and next destination is Niigata. Inside New Chitose Airport Domestic Terminal. Airport Sky Museum. What a surprise! There is a mini chocolate factory inside the airport. A must try the well-known Hokkaido soft ice cream. Time for quick dinner, Donburi Chaya. It has a Muslim-friendly dishes. Let's enjoy it. Last dish in Sapporo. It's time to take the flight to Niigata. It's just an hour journey. We are done for day 5.